walk you through how to ingest data into Elasticsearch using LlamaIndex. Yes, the same framework built to connect LLMs with external data. This is perfect for anyone looking to build smarter search experience that can actually reason through documents. We'll cover the full pipeline, from setting up dependencies, parsing and indexing documents, all the way to querying your Elasticsearch index using natural language. So first, what exactly is LlamaIndex? It's a framework that facilitates the creation of agents and workflows powered by LLMs to interact with specific data. Think of it as a bridge that feeds LLMs the context they need by connecting it to data sources like APIs, PDFs, databases, and of course, Elasticsearch. Now, when it comes to integrating with Elasticsearch, LlamaIndex can be used in various ways, like as a data source, use the Elasticsearch reader to extract documents, an embedding model to encode data into vectors for semantic search, as a vector storage, using Elasticsearch as a repository for searching vectorized documents, and as an advanced storage, configure structures such as document summaries or knowledge graphs. Here, we'll be focusing on how LlamaIndex connects to Elasticsearch for search and retrieval. We're going to use the public Elasticsearch service FAQ page as our example data. We split each Q&A into an own txt file and dropped it under a FAQ folder. It's time to wire up our Python environment. Inside the project root, I created a requirement.txt with the following dependencies: LlamaIndex vector stores Elasticsearch, LlamaIndex, and OpenAI. And with this command, pip install requirements.txt, we are ready with the dependencies. For local Elasticsearch, I reuse the blog's Docker Compose snippet. In this part, it's necessary to have Docker installed in your computer. Let's start the container with a Docker Compose up. And you got a clean node in localhost 9200. And our Kibana is located in localhost 5601. Let's pivot to the file ingest.python. This script turns the raw FAQ text into search-ready vectors using LlamaIndex. Elasticsearch store tells LlamaIndex where to persist vectors. Index name equal FAQ is the target index, and ESUL equal our localhost is our dev cluster. No other parameters are necessary because we are running Elasticsearch through Docker. If we have an Elastic Cloud deployment, you can connect just like this. Format title is a helper that swaps dashes for spaces, stripes the txt, and title cases everything. It is pure cosmetic, but it makes it easier to read. In OpenAI embeddings, LlamaIndex default with text embeddings ADA002 to generate the embeddings. But for this example, we will use the text embedding 3 small model. It's necessary to have an OpenAI API key to use this model. Simple Directory Reader allows loading files from a local directory. After loading the documents, we will index them using vector store index. And now we can run the script. And when the process is finished, we can go to Kibana and look at our information in Discovery. Now with the fun part, querying with natural language. In the search.python script, we have Elasticsearch store again, but this time we pass the retrieval strategy that tells LlamaIndex we want a pure vector search under the hood. There are two other strategies, such as using async BM25 strategy for keyword or using async sparse vector strategy for sparse vector. Instead of rebuilding the embeddings, we reconnect to the existing FAQ vectors by calling vector store index from the vector store. We wrap the retrieve passages and the user's question into a single prompt template. The model GPT-4o fills the template and returns a grounded answer. It's the moment of truth. Let's run the script. Here's what you're looking at after running the query: are Elasticsearch free? LlamaIndex returns the top matches from our FAQ index. and in others by score, where 1.0 means the nearest possible match and 0 barely related. And finally, the generated answer. The LLM reads only the context and summarize. Elasticsearch aren't entirely free. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial to explore Elastic solutions. After the trial, access to features and support depends on the subscription level you choose. So in one sweep, the retrieval score the similarity and delivers the evidence. Prompts template packs that evidence, and the LLMs produce a concise and grounded answer. Using LlamaIndex, we showed how to build an efficient FAQ search system backed by Elasticsearch as the vector database. The result is a clean workflow that joins information retrieval with contextual generation for accurate and reliable response. Give it a try yourself with the 14 days free trial for Elastic Cloud and the information from this video and the original article. Thanks for watching.